Hello everyone, ByGLG here, and today we're going to delve into the ins and outs of the Dreame R20, a cordless vacuum cleaner that could revolutionize your home cleaning regime. So stick with me as we plunge into the specifics of this incredible machine, its accessories, its features, and of course how it performs in action. Straight out of the box, you're greeted by a thoughtfully assembled array of accessories. The Dreame R20 presents itself in several parts, ready to be assembled. You've got the handheld vacuum itself, which is the core of the device. Its design is sleek and it houses a removable 2900 mAh battery that promises up to a whopping 90 minutes of runtime. This could be a game changer for those of you with larger homes to clean. Included are 2 brushes, along with a flexible adapter, a motorized mini brush, and a carbon fiber tube for reaching those hard-to-get-to spots. There are also 2 nozzles for various cleaning tasks, as well as a charging dock and a charger. The latter ensures that your vacuum is always ready for use. There's also an integrated slot serving as a starter for the vacuum, adding a touch of ingenious design. The Dreame R20 is a bagless vacuum with a removable bin. It's a dream to empty and disassemble, making maintenance a breeze. You won't have to worry about expensive bags and wasted time trying to swap them out anymore. The device's color screen gives you a clear indication of the remaining battery percentage, as well as the suction mode currently in use. There are 2 buttons that allow you to switch modes or lock in the suction mode, giving you the ability to tailor your cleaning approach. This vacuum cleaner has a 190 AW suction power. This is certainly on the higher end of the spectrum, promising a deep clean that gets to the root of the dirt and dust in your home. Notably, the Dreame R20 comes with blue LED lights that illuminate dark areas and ensure a thorough clean, even in the hard-to-reach areas. Let's take a little break here. If you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button, and if you're not a fan, feel free to press dislike. For a real-world test, we subjected the Dreame R20 to some coffee grounds and rice on the floor, with the vacuum set to automatic mode. The results were impressive, to say the least. The brush spins at up to 150,000 revolutions per minute, with a 138-degree blue LED lighting. To give you a better idea of how the Dreame R20 stacks up, we compared it to my old Dreame T10. The LEDs and the automatic mode of the R20 really make a noticeable difference. We also tested it on a carpet using the flexible adapter in auto mode. It was so simple, it cleans super well, and it's incredibly easy to reach under the sofa. All that's left is to empty the bin and the job is done. The price of the Dreame R20 is listed as €399 on Amazon, but you'll have to see on launch day if there are any promotions, coupons, or gifts. To conclude, the automatic mode is very much appreciated and manages the suction power all by itself. The LEDs bring a real plus to see where you're cleaning. We absolutely love it. Leave me a comment to tell me what you think of this Dreame T20. Leave a like if you liked this video, a dislike if you didn't like it, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.